Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here, Mercedes-Benz GLC300 AMG line. One owner only, super low mileage and comes with very nice features. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty. This GLC is a proper SUV, all-wheel drivetrain, powerful engine, very sleek drive, and the look is super nice. Of course, we have signature Mercedes-Benz starburst grille, factory-fitted AMG body kit, factory-fitted AMG sport trims, factory-fitted big brake kit. Also, very nice carbon fiber mirror caps. This car comes with bunch of features. It's got panoramic roof, very nice, very sexy. Later I show you. Behind, we have very nice diffuser on a factory-fitted AMG body kit. Over here, we see 4MATIC means what? Means all-wheel drive. All right, now let's have a look on the inside. On the inside, very spacious for a rear passenger. Leather in great condition, very nice contrast stitching. Over here we have some accessories added to this car as well. Burmester sound system, we got ambient light. Later when I own the car you'll be able to see. And the biggest highlight is of course this beautiful, beautiful panoramic roof. Now let's go in. Alright, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very nice, spacious and premium cabin. We have AMG steering wheel, flat bottom, very nice, very sporty, multifunctional with pedal shifters, fully digital speedometer cluster, very nice. Touchscreen infotainment system that can also be controlled with this trackpad. Over here, of course, we got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, reverse camera, and even 360 view. Check this out. Let's put it back to park. The finish, I really prefer this to piano black. It's very nice, non-laminated wood. You can feel the texture feels very premium. Nothing I like is the soft touch leather on a dashboard, very nice, beautifully stitched throughout on your door cards as well. Also we have some ambient light here, behind on the aircon vents and behind over there, all factory fitted and all very beautiful. Of course, place to store sunglasses, black towel roof liner, because it's AMG line, of course it gotta look premium, and this beautiful panoramic roof, which can also be opened. All right, have another look. Hi guys, of course, needless to say, fully electric seats, electric adjustment on steering wheel, and all that jazz comes with this car, keyless entry, keyless start, all the things considered basic for such a must. Alright, on COE we still got 6 years and 2 months left. The mileage is super low, only 32,000 for this age. It's ridiculously low. Alright, so you all know what to do. Call me, and I'll give you a good deal.